Hello everybody, welcome back to the Wheels on Wheels YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be giving you an update on the Wheelz fleet because a lot of things have changed around here that haven't been on film, and I just wanted to update you guys on where we're at, what cars I've got, what vehicles I haven't got anymore, and there is a surprise inside the garage behind me. We're going to start off by talking about the van. The van is of course staying, and I can't see myself ever wanting to sell the van. I mean, just look at it. What a beauty. Now, I have been using the van quite a bit for work. As you can see, I may have even tried to do a bit of GreenLaning. Insert a clip of that now of me GreenLaning in the van. So I got bored waiting for the Transit DPF to regen. So we've just decided to go GreenLaning in the in my Transit Connect. Why are we doing this?
I don't know, but we're kind of in the middle of it now. I wonder if there's an angry farmer.
You said you know the guy who owns this field.
I do.
Why is it going to be an angry farmer then?
No. Could be mistaken.
Could be a mistake.
It's a distinct possibility.
Don't know why I did it, but if we take a look inside the van, you will see it's full of tools. Go in the back here, you can see even more tools. I've got an entire tool chest that's strapped in there. Now the reason it's full of tools is because I've been using this van for work. It's just so easy to just keep my tool chest in here with all my tools because there's so much space in the back, being a van of course. It's just really convenient for that. So that's why I've been using it as a work van. However, this is still a camper and we are still planning on going on some trips. I've got an amazing trip lined up soon, but the van needs a little bit of work before I can really trust it to go on the adventure that I want to go on. So I'm going to do a cam belt and I'm going to do some other bits and bobs like oil changes and stuff, because I've not changed the oil in this van since I've owned it, which is completely unlike me because I have no idea how old the oil is in this. It could be the original oil for all I know. It needs some TLC mechanically before I can trust it. But yes, we are going to go on an incredible trip and there's several things that I want to do to prepare for that. So there's going to be some videos on that coming up soon. Don't worry, the van is here to stay. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is this, which is my Kawasaki E46 motorbike. OG subscribers of the channel will know this bike. I started off this channel doing a lot of moto vlogs, which I really enjoyed, and I do enjoy riding, but I just haven't ridden this in so long, if I'm honest. I think I might sell it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I sell it? I'm really thinking that I might, because I haven't ridden it in so long, and to be honest, I'm wanting a change in motorcycle anyway, so when I feel the urge to ride again, maybe I'll just buy another one and sell it in the meantime. What do you guys think? I think it's time for a change. I've had it for quite a while now. Next we have my £200 E46 Compact BMW, also known as the Orange Turd, also known as A6 UPN. It doesn't start at the moment. Might be something to do with the fact that it's got more diesel in it than it has petrol. Being a petrol car, that's not ideal. Let's see if we can start it now. Why not? On camera, this should be fun. Yeah, so that's a problem. That's very annoying. If you guys haven't seen the video where I try running this thing on 40% diesel, make sure to check that video out. Make it worth my while, because otherwise this was a complete waste of time putting diesel in it. But yeah, I've got big plans for this still. I think I'm going to wrap it still, and maybe it'll become a drift car. Let's see what time brings. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that kind of thing. It's inside here we have a big surprise that I'm very excited to show you. So here is the new addition to the Wheelz fleet. It is a BMW E46 330ci Coupe manual. If any of you guys are familiar with BMWs, you'll know that this is the one you want. It is very, very desirable. Not only for those reasons, but also because it has Harman Kardon sound, xenon headlights, heated seats. It is a very well-spec'd well sought after car. It is in really, really good condition. So to be honest with you guys, I don't originally really know why I bought this. I was looking originally for a donor for the Compact for its 3-litre engine, and I came across this car at a very reasonable price, got it for a good price, and as soon as I drove it, in fact, as soon as I saw it, I knew that I couldn't break it. I absolutely couldn't, because it drives perfectly and it's in really, really good shape. So I couldn't possibly break it for parts. Who would do such a thing? And another thing, let me show you the condition of the interior. It is absolutely stunning. Again, it's the full black leather interior, which for me, I prefer a bit of color actually, but for most people, this is the one they would want. And just look at the condition. Check out the bolsters here, barely any wear, just a little bit of leather conditioner on that, and that'd be perfect. It's got the memory seats, fully electrically adjustable. I mean, even the steering wheel looks and feels brand new. Now, don't get me wrong, it needs a little bit of work. It has a little bit of 5th gear lean, not too much. In fact, now that I've been driving it, the 5th gear lean's not too bad. If you don't know what 5th gear lean is, it basically tends to lean over to the right rather than center into the middle on the gear stick. Not too much of an issue really. We've got a few little bodywork issues. You'll see here, there's a bit of bubbling that just needs sorting. The other side though is perfect. Again, the front wings, this one's not too bad, but there's a little bit of rust showing here. And the one thing that I've done, and I'm annoyed because I've not done it on camera because I wasn't even sure about whether I was keeping this car or not, is I fitted an M Sport front bumper, because when I bought it, it had an SE front bumper because of a previous little bump that it had. So I fitted the correct bumper to it now, and there's a lot of other work that needs doing to it, which I'll show you in videos to come, but I just want to share this with you. Look at this here. The plastic on this piece of aluminium trim is still on there after 23 years. I cannot wait to peel that off. Well, if you want to see me peel that off, you're going to have to wait till a future video for that. Now, you may be wondering, where is the orange Focus Estate that would usually be living in this space? And the truth is, I have today just sold it. That's right, it's sold, and I think I made the right choice with it. I am very sad to see it go. I really, really enjoyed that car. I loved the color. I loved the way it drove, especially when you put your foot down and chuck it into corners. It was a great, great car. But as a petrol head, I like to try different things, and I've never owned a car with more than 4 cylinders. I've never owned anything rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. I've never owned really a German car or anything like that. I've never owned a Japanese car. I have owned Seats, a couple of Seats, which are great. Technically they're German cars because they're Volkswagen Group cars, but I just fancied something different. And this wasn't supposed to be its replacement, but I think for a little while I will daily drive this because I'm actually quite enjoying it. It's a really good car. So what do you guys think to the current Wheelz fleet then? Do you think I should have sold the Focus, and do you think I should sell the bike? Let me know down in the comment section below. I can't wait to share with you guys the plans I've got for the trip I'm going to be taking in this £380 van. It's going to be incredible. That'll be coming out in a video very, very soon, so make sure to look out for that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more of this kind of content, and make sure to like the video. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll catch you very soon.